it is cos x power cot x, na?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, you have to check whether this is 1 power infinity or not, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When x tends to 0, this is 1. When x tends to cot 0 is infinity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now according to our formula, so when you have limit x tends to 0, f of x power g of x, you write it generally as e power limit x tends to 0, g of x into ln f of x. This is a general format, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this general format we brought into the much shorter format,
Yes,
that is e power limit x tends to 0.
f of x minus 1 into g of x.
Okay, yeah, f of x minus 1 into g of x, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now this shorter format is what we are going to use for this question, that is e power limit x tends to 0. F of x minus 1 is,
Cos
1
x
second,
minus
software got stuck up. jaldi aa jao. Cos x minus 1 divided by, no, into cot x, that is nothing but divided by tan x.
1. Okay.
Into cot x is 1 by tan x.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, note down till here quickly.
Yes, sir. I got until the previous step and then I did that.
Fine, leave that, quickly note down.
Done, sir.
Now, so we have the expression, think like this, e power x tends to 0, cos x minus 1 by tan x, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's nothing but e power limit x tends to 0, cos x minus 1. Sir, first of all you should know that 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square theta.
Yes, sir.
So similarly 1 minus cos theta can be written as,
2 sin square theta by 2.
okay, so cos x minus 1 can be written as,
Minus 2 sin square x by 2.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's nothing but minus 2 sin square x by 2 by tan x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
What happened, sir? Anant actually till now he did not join.
I'm not sure, sir. So today he was said he was not feeling well, sir.
That he should message earlier.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure.
Hello? Yeah, Anant. Why, Anant? Enta fever, what is the number? Utna kyun, sir? Why that much? Oh my lord, take rest. Okay. I am recording the class anyhow. Fine. Should I send the recording to you properly? It is getting recorded. I am taking the limits only. Okay. Fine. Bye. He has fever, it seems, 1 or 2. चलेगा. E power x tends to 0 minus 2 sin x square by sin square x by 2 by tan x, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's nothing but e power limit x tends to 0 minus 2 into sin square x by 2 matlab sin x by 2 into sin x by 2. When x is tending to 0, sin dustbin is dustbin only.
Yes, sir.
So sin x by 2 is x by 2, sin x by 2 is x by 2. Even when x tends to 0, tan x is also x.
Yes, sir.
Because both of them are like having they behave similarly.
Yes, sir.
So e power limit x tends to 0. What you will be getting?
So you get minus 1 into x by x. So that's
To whom you will give another 2.
yes, yeah, minus x by 2x.
So you will be getting it as e power limit x tends to 0 minus x by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So directly put x equal to 0.
Yes, he was very sure.
So please note down quickly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is how you solve that problem. Now let's go to the next problem. Please write down limit extends to 0
Yes.
sin x by x whole power sin x by x minus sin x. Very simple question. Very simple. Okay, yeah, this is the question. Please note down the question. Sin x by x power sin x by x minus sin x.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yeah.
Now see that what is f of x here?
Sin x by x.
What is g of x?
Sin x by x minus sin x.
Yeah. So now if you just put limit extends to 0 f of x, that is limit extends to 0 sin x by x, that is 1.
Yes, sir.
So base is going towards 1.
Yes, sir.
Similarly now next, if you do limit extends to 0 sin x by x minus sin x, okay,
Yes, sir.
so how you will do this?
Sir, so it will be sin x by x minus sin x by sin x. Oh no.
Yes.
No.
What you are speaking?
Yeah, sorry.
So I wanted to do one small thing, that is sin x by down, if I take x common it will become 1 minus sin x by x.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is going to become sin x by x divided by 1 minus sin x by x. Same thing, this is same expression,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now when x tends to 0 sin x by x tends towards,
1.
when x tends to 0 sin x by x tends towards
1. So
1 by 0, so infinity. Yeah, satisfied. So limit, this is g of x. So
Yes.
numerator is going towards infinity, base is going towards 1, therefore it is 1 power infinity. First you have to confirm that.
yes, sir.
Till now the question solving is not started. Only we confirmed that it is 1 power infinity format. Please note down this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Now so we should go for our general format, that is e power limit x tends to 0 f of x minus 1
Yes, sir.
sin x by x minus 1 into g of x sin x by x minus sin x, right? So e power limit x tends to 0 sin x by x minus 1 can be written as, if you do LCM it will become sin x minus x divided by x into sin x divided by x minus sin x.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Shivant?
No, sir.
So this can be written as e power limit x tends to 0 sin x minus x by x na. So put it like that, this will cancel minus 1 times.
Yes, sir.
So you will be getting minus,
Minus
sin x by x.
That's minus 1.
that is e power minus 1. Answer is 1 by e.
Yes, sir.
Please note down.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Fine. Next. So I think this question is very much clear to you. Next question, please write down limit x tends to 0 Sir, clear na?
Yes sir, clear sir.
Limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x divided by 3 power 2 by x. Fine.
Okay sir.
That's it. Answer is, yeah, you have to solve this one, sir. There is nothing more than this.
Yes sir.
So first of all, okay, I wanted to give you some time. How much time should I give you?
So 3 minutes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes sir.
Try solving this. Easy only. At least come till half of the problem, then you'll get a better idea. See this question. What is f of x over here?
A power x plus b power x plus c power x by 3.
Yeah. A power x plus b power x plus c power x by 3, right?
Yeah.
So when you put x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, a power 0 1, b power 0 1, c power 0 1, 3 by 3,
Oh.
base is tending to 1, that we should check it. Next point, limit x tends to 0, g of x is 2 by x, that is 2 by 0, infinity. Yes, it is a 1 power infinity format, correct or not?
Yes sir.
So now the next thing is we should we should be thinking how to nothing yet. There is nothing like, think of some new method, something. F of x minus 1 into g of x. So limit x tends to 0, f of x minus 1, that is a power x plus e power c plus c power x by 3 minus 1 into g of x is 2 by x. Are you understanding, Nana?
Yes sir.
That is e power limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x minus 3, right? LCM.
Okay. Yeah, minus 3.
Focus here
Yes sir.
into 2 by x. So it's going to be e power limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x plus c power x minus 3, right?
Yes
You
sir.
can edit as a power x minus 1 plus b power x minus 1 plus c power x minus 1, right?
Yes sir.
And there is a x over here. I wanted to just give the x for the whole denominator, and then 2 is there outside and 3 is there here into 2 by 3.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Any doubt?
No sir.
So limit x tends to a power x minus 1 by x is how much?
Sir, that will be log A.
Log we just call it ln a. Fine.
Log A.
Nothing but ln a plus ln b plus ln c into 2 by 3. So in logarithms there is a property, ln a plus ln b plus ln c is ln abc
Okay.
into 2 by 3. So e power, this 2 by 3 will go as power, abc power 2 by 3, right?
Yes sir.
And there is same base, e and e, right?
Yeah.
So you can cancel that bases and say your answer as abc power 2 by 3. This is your answer.
Yes sir.
Any doubt in this?
I just go through it once, sir.
Please go through it, write it on your own without seeing the board. Whenever doubt comes, then only you see the board.
Yes sir.
So the next question, read the question.
The population of a country increases by 2% every year. If it increases k times essentially, then prove that greatest integer function of k is equal to 7.
Okay, that's what he wanted to say, that this is nothing but represents the greatest integer function. He wanted to say it,
Okay.
but that point is missing, greatest integer function. Okay, so fine. Population of a country increases by 2% every year if it increases k times in a century.
So what is the question now?
Yeah, do I know every question you're writing?
Sir, I'm writing what writing on the screen, sir. So,
Okay, you can write it in the shortcut format if you want. Okay.
yes, sir.
So now see here carefully. Population of a country increases by 2% every year. So initially let's say population is P. So next year how much will be the population?
P plus 2 by 100 into 2.
3 plus,
No, sir, P plus 2 by 100 into 2.
yeah, 2P by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So that next year actually it will be the 2% of this, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think the population is going to increase in a compound interest way.
Yes, sir.
So what is the formula for compound interest?
Compound interest, sir. I mean, I don't remember.
Okay, sir, you should remember that. Okay, even 1 second.
Equal to P into 1 plus R by N whole power NT.
Whole power NT. Yeah, okay. What is that time?
Sir,
What is
so
that
NT is,
NT?
so NT is time in years.
Okay, time in years. What is the T?
What's it? Oh, P principal, sir. Principal amount.
No, not that. T.
Yes, sir. So NT is time, like the whole NT. They just represent as time.
Okay. So now fine. So you wanted to say that here initially the population, R is rate of interest, na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I think it's not R by N. Are you sure it's R by N?
Sir, it says R by N here. Right,
Okay, 1 plus okay, generally sir 1 plus R by 100 power T, the number of years is what we write it. So P into
Even
1.
that is there, sir, in the on side.
Okay, maybe both are same only. So what is the rate of interest here? 2 by 100 for how many years? For 100. Or let's say put T. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But the problem is we will not be getting in this way because we are doing the limits problem. चलेगा. Okay, we are not getting here, Shivant. I think 1 plus 2 by 100 power P. Okay, here the compound interest formula is troubling us, whether we should take like this or whether we should take like this. If you take like this, there is a full chance of getting the answer. But if you take in this way, we don't have any chance of getting it. Okay, Shivan, I will see about this question. Please write down the question whatever you have and leave a half page space.
Okay, sir.
You have to visibly see that half page space in your notebook. So whenever you see that incomplete is visible to you.
Okay, sir.
In that sense. Okay. Note down clearly the question. If you have written shortcut format also is fine, but half page you have to leave.
Okay, sir. Simple. Sir, can I got it?
Yeah, got it?
Sir, so I was, sir, I kept calculating for, sir, for the first day, the new amount, the new population will be P plus 2P by 100, right, sir?
Yeah,
So when you find 2% for the second year, sir,
yeah.
you get P plus 2P by 100 whole square.
Mm.
Right, sir. And then for third year, you get whole cube. I just
Correct.
selected itself. So you see, that's like something that you can do. I think you can even find something. So like for 100 years, it will be P plus 2 by 100 whole power 100.
No, when 100 years goes, when it becomes 100, it will become P into
1 plus
2 by 100 power 50. Power 100 century, na?
That's yeah, power 100. Sir.
But how much is that value?
So I feel like you can use limit somehow. I'm not sure because but then limit separates us or something you can use. I just found that pattern.
Okay, so let's take out calculator. 1 plus 2 by 100 power 100, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm not using any limits, fully mathematics I'm using, but I hope so you'll get the same answer. 1 plus 2 by 100, that is 0.02 whole power 100. I'm getting it like 7.244.
I'm saying also. So 7.244.
Correct. Therefore, what is the step of? Huh?
Yeah, that's 7.
That's 7. So that's what actually. Hence
That means
proved.
K is 7.244.
So step K is 7. That's what we have to prove.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is no limits or something involved here. Just try noting this method. Limits method also we will see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Limits method is, see, we got power 100 as what we got, so 1 plus 2 by 100 power 100, na?
Yes, sir.
Let's say it is power not 100 times, it is like, how many times? Much more. I think this method we can't use. We should be writing it in a different way. This is the formula, 1 plus r by n power nt. You told na p into 1 plus r by n power nt.
So the generated 1 plus 2 by 100 or 100.
That is okay, but if it is for 101 times, then what is that small t? Okay, the limits method we will see it later, Shivan. That's all. For that you can leave a half page space.
Yes, sir.
Properly we should understand this compound interest formula. Once we understand it, it is very easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So with this we completed f of x power g of x problems. I am giving you some homework. Please take the screenshot. Limit x tends to infinity. X plus 2 by x plus 1 power x plus 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question, limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by a plus bx power c plus dx.
Okay, sir.
Next, limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by x power x. Okay, so many questions am I giving to you.
No, sir, it's fine.
Next, limit x tends to 7 by 2 2x square minus 9x plus 8 power cot 2x minus 7. Fine.
Yeah.
So I think 1 second. Cot 2x minus 7. So these are the 4 questions I wanted to give it as homework to you. Please take screenshot and post it in the group.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please do.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going ahead. That is L'Hospital rule for evaluating the limits. Okay, this L'Hospital rule we will be doing it tomorrow.
Okay.
Fine. Since he's not there, let's end the class for this 40 minutes.
Okay, sir.
I'm also feeling like if I cover more, actually I don't want to start a new topic. These are the questions on the same old topic, na?
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to start the new topic now. In tomorrow's class we will do the new topic. Dear students, if you have any doubts in the homework, please upload your doubts or you can communicate with me using my mail address sasidharramanujan@gmail.com. So please communicate your doubts and all the queries or any guidance using this email address. So we will stop the class over here. Thank you. Bye bye.